Alright guys, excuse my muffled voice through the mask, but I'm just gonna show you a little something about cleaning doors and door handles. So when we open a door often, I'll just show you, we go like this, and then we swing it, and then we'll grab right here, or another part of the door, to keep it from swinging too much. And the same thing as when we open it, we'll often go like that and put our hand here. So when we're cleaning and disinfecting, we need to make sure that we're covering all of the parts of the handle and the door. So two things here as well. Cleaning and disinfecting are different. Cleaning is removing the dirt and the oils, and disinfecting is killing microorganisms. So cleaning, you can spray it on like I have. We'll do a good wipe and with a wet cloth, and you can see I'm going to clean all the way down here as well on both sides. And that is going to be clean. But what you have to make sure of is that disinfecting is different than cleaning. So two things are important. One, you use a product that kills the microorganisms, and two, that it has the proper waiting time or dwell time. So you just saw me clean and I sprayed and then I wiped immediately. I can tell you this is not disinfected. If there are microorganisms that have not been removed by my rag, they will not be dead. So the second step after we do this is to get a disinfectant spray, and it is to read it, make sure we understand what's the amount of time that the surface needs to remain wet, and we spray all of those same areas with a disinfectant spray to make sure that microorganisms are killed.